having a tofu scramble. I have some tofu, baby spinach, onion, and I put some turmeric powder in there and pepper. And I also have some Tabasco sauce and ketchup on top. And I have some toast with some soy butter and jelly. I have the Food for Life Ezekiel bread, some Earth Balance soy butter, and some Trader Joe's organic superfruit spread. And I'm also having a cup of coffee. I have my favorite creamer, which is the Organic Valley French Vanilla Soy Creamer. And I'm also having a LaCroix sparkling water. Look at them flying. Hon, look at this guy. Ooh. They are pecking, they're getting crazy.
Yeah, he's right there. You see him? Oh, his little foot. He sits down when he eats because it's harder for him to stand.
Aw, they're all
Oh, see, he keeps getting knocked up on his footy. You got a goosey right behind you, honey. Eating the peas. There he goes.
For lunch, I'm having a smoothie. to snack on after the smoothie, so I have some carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, and hummus. For dinner, I have some black rice and black lentils, and I topped it with some vegetables that I cooked in some low-sodium vegetable broth. I have some broccoli, bok choy, carrots, celery, onions, and garlic, and I topped it with some sriracha sauce. I'm having some Angie's Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, and I like to take some nutritional yeast and open up a new bag and just pour some in, probably like 2 tablespoons, and shake the bag around, and it gives the popcorn a cheesy flavor. I'm having a bowl of popcorn and a pumpkin beer, my favorite pumpkin beer, Imperial Pumpkin Southern Tier. Awesome beer. If you've never had it, it's so good. And I'm gonna go into watch some TV now, some Dexter on Netflix. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.